Hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you three different kind of dashes, that is hyphen, n dash and m dash, and what are its uses and how to create it in Microsoft Word. So let us start with the first dash, that is called hyphen. So this is just a normal dash that is there in your keyboard, and it is used to join compound words like 24, I to I, or something like that. Now this is very easy. You have this sign or symbol in your keyboard, so you can directly use that hyphen. The second dash is called n dash, and it is slightly longer in length compared to hyphen. It means to or through, and it is generally used to show a span or a range of a numbers. For example, 2018 to 2020, like that. You can create n dash by using two different ways. The first way is by using a keyboard shortcut, that is control and minus sign. Make sure that this is control and minus, not control and hyphen. So I'll just press control and hyphen together and I get and dash, which is slightly longer than hyphen. Now Microsoft Word automatically creates and dash provided that you place spaces appropriately. For example, here I want and dash between 2018 and 2020, so I'll press 2018 and then press space, then press hyphen, then press space, then again another digit or another text. So I'll just type 2020. Now after pressing space, Microsoft Word automatically converts this hyphen into an and dash. So this is how you do it in Microsoft Word. The third kind of dash is called m dash. It is the longest dash of these three, and it is one of the most versatile punctuation marks, and it can take place of comma, colon, or a parenthesis. For example, this text uses m dash instead of comma. Now in case of parenthesis also you can use m dash. So this is an example. Here it is a normal sentence like parenthesis, but instead of this parenthesis you can use this m dash. Similarly, instead of colon you can use m dash. Here instead of verdict guilty we are using m dash. There are three ways to create m dash. First one is a keyboard shortcut, and the keyboard shortcut is Control Alt and minus sign. So you have to press all these three buttons simultaneously, Control Alt and minus sign, and you get a m dash. Now the other Alt shortcut is also there. You have to press Alt key and then 0151 key on a numpad and then release Alt key. So this is Alt shortcut for m dash. And the third thing is Microsoft Word autocorrect. So whenever you place two hyphen between words and then press space, these two hyphens get automatically converted into m dash. For example, ERDICT, then two hyphen guilty, and then the moment you press space, Microsoft Word automatically converts this two hyphen into an m dash. If you don't want to remember this shortcut, then you can create your own shortcut. For example, you can create an autocorrect shortcut, and to create that, just select m dash, then copy it, and then go to the files and click on options, then go to proofing and then click on autocorrect option. Here you can see that this copied text has appeared here. You can give any kind of text which will be replaced by the m dash symbol or sign. So for example, I am giving \emdash, then click on add and then click on OK. So now \emdash, then press space and you get this shortcut. These are the uses of three different kind of dash symbols and how you can get it in Microsoft Word with all the shortcuts. If you want to see more such videos like this, then please consider subscribing to my channel and pressing the bell notification icon, so that whenever I publish a new video like this, you get a notification and you don't miss any of my future videos. Thank you friends, take care, bye bye.